Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today we are going to be doing a little bit of full moon crafting. So hopefully this will be nice and simple and we'll mostly use things that you've probably got already lying around if you are a little bit witchy, a little bit crafty. And if not, none of the things that I'm going to use today are particularly expensive. So this is my version of a witch bottle, but it is a full moon wish bottle. This, I believe, is perfect for festive gifting as well. So this is the perfect time of year to be considering making one, whether that be for yourself or to gift to somebody else. So the main thing that you will need is an empty bauble. This could be a glass bauble. Most of them have the tops that you can take off and you can fill them, or it can be the kind that comes in two halves that are plastic, or like mine, this is a bauble that was originally filled with booze. It was a boozy bauble, designed to be hung on the tree and then drunk throughout the festive season. So this is what I'm going to be using as my moon bauble, my wish bottle. So other things you will need is moon water. I always have some on hand. This is just water that has been consecrated and blessed under the full moon. Also other elements to go into your bottle, such as crystal chips, herbs, essential oils, a little bit of sparkle for an extra bit of bling and an extra bit of magic, and then some paper to write your wish onto. So let's get started with adding some things. While you're doing this, you want to do this with intention. You want to be thinking about what your wish is going to be, who it's for, and what outcome you're looking for. So I'm just going to set up my space. I'm not going to work in circle, but just changing the atmosphere of the room by adding in some candlelight. I've chosen a white cloth to work on because it seemed appropriate for the full moon. I've chosen my mooniest colours of candle holders, and so I think we are probably about ready to start. Of course, we could also light some incense. Let's have a look. Shall we do that? Let's grab the perfect incense holder and some incense. This is manifestation incense from Witch Casket, so it is orange and patchouli. Manifestation is a great option for spell casting because we are wanting to bring about change, bring something into the world. Just as that incense starts going, we can take some time. None of this has to be rushed. It is a very simple spell. It's a simple thing to make, but that doesn't make it any less powerful. And if you spend time and energy making it, then it will be perfect. I'm going to start off by adding some of these pearls. These are freshwater pearls. They came from an old necklace that had been broken, but I think that pearls, for me, because of their association with the sea, therefore I see an association with the moon. So I've got two different sorts here. I've got these sort of unusual shaped ones, and then I've got some more sort of traditional shaped beads. In fact, let's just, there we go. Let's put those in. Don't need many, but in fact, know what, I'm saying I don't need many. I might actually put, I put all of the big ones in, I think, or a lot of the big ones. Let's pop those in. Okay, so we can add those. We're going to move that off to the side. So that's done. Thinking about spell casting. If you have no other crystals on hand, clear quartz is a perfect catch-all for everything. So I'm going to pop a piece of clear quartz in there. My spell in particular, my wish, is for harmony, and so I'm going to use some rose quartz as well. Rose quartz is great for gentle love, for friendship, and for harmonious meetings. So I'm going to pop in some of my rose sea salt. I'm going to use my little funnel for this bit. Just a little bit of sea salt. Let's get that in there, and then it might need a little bit of help going through. And this is where something like this little stir stick, if you've got a cocktail stick, anything like that, that will just help to feed things through into the bottle. That one rose petal doesn't want to go. There we go. So we've got our pearls, our salt, our crystals. I am going to add some more floral elements now. These will probably be a bit of a pain to get in as well, but we will see. Let's just see, we've got rose here and jasmine, again associated with love and with harmony. That did not go well. Stop it. So we want harmony and love and friendship and peace. These are the things that I am putting into here. So for a little extra special bit of magic, I've got some silver leaf here. So let's see if I can get this in without it going everywhere. It does have a habit of either sticking together or completely breaking up into lots of little pieces. Again, these elements are things that I am choosing to add. You could add whatever you wanted to. If all you've got is regular craft glitter and you want to add a bit of glitter to your bauble, then you do that. That is completely fine. Your spell will be more powerful the more of you it has in it. So, as always, it's gone everywhere. So you may also want to add trinkets. My opening is very small, so there's not a lot of options here. But if you've got tiny little keys, tiny dice, larger crystals, none of these things, maybe, no, even that key's not going to fit in there for me, and my dice is too big, even though it's a tiny one. But you can think about associations and you can add things that are relevant to add power. So that's where we're at so far. I think I am going to add the water now. So we're going back to here. Do get yourself a little funnel, it will make your life a lot easier. And then adding in the water. There we go. And I've not filled it completely up, but that's fine because I want to be able to give it a little shake. So the next step is to think about our wish. And I've just got a piece of parchment here. I've got to cut it down to size because we just want a thin strip, really, like this, because we're going to scroll it. So, and I would say use a waterproof pen to write this. It is tempting to want to write with your best, most fancy fountain pens for these things. I know, I love a good pen, but the best thing that you can do for a spell like this is to use a biro, because it won't bleed under the water. So I'm just going to write on that, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, once you've got your wish written, I'm just going to scroll it up. You can seal the end with some wax. I think I'm going to do that. So I've got a little puddle of wax here from my tea light. So just dip the end in the wax and then it will just seal it closed. So just going to dip that, and do be careful, and if you need to, do this with some tweezers. We do not want burnt fingers. So here we go. That's all sealed up now. Little nugget of wax, and in it goes. So time to seal her up. Depending upon what sort of bauble you've got will depend on how you are sealing. Obviously, if you're working with a half and half, then you'll need to be extra careful when adding water, and you may in fact not want to add the moon water. You may want to just use the other components and have a dry ball. So because this is designed to have liquid in, it seals very nicely. You can give it a little shake and get everything mixed up. So that is everything all in there. And then we have some words to say. So we're just, again, thinking about our intentions, thinking about why we're doing this. And what I would suggest is that you center yourself, really think again about what it is that you're trying to achieve with this. Okay, and then speak these words. Glowing bauble up on high, grant the wishes wished this night. Full of power shining down, blessing all upon the ground. As you shine your light on me, as I will, so mote it be. You can then leave this wish bauble on a windowsill in view of the moon, and then hang it in your home or on your festive tree, or gift it to the chosen recipient of your wish. I will pop the words for that down in the description of this video. For me, I'm going to spend a little bit of time now writing this into my book of shadows, and you are of course welcome to do the same. So that's all written out now. I'm really pleased with the outcome. I think it looks very nice indeed. The little rose petals in there and the pearls and the silver all working together. I'm very pleased with that, and that will indeed be hanging on my festive tree. So I hope that you have found this interesting. If you would like any more information, feel free to pop me a message down in the comments. I would love to make more of these style of videos, so again, let me know if this is something you've enjoyed and if you want more. Thank you as always for everyone that joins me for these videos. I am so grateful for all of you. If you're not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. Leave a like, share with a friend, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and if you can, consider supporting this channel over on Patreon. Thank you to those of you who already support me on Patreon. You mean the absolute world. So that is all from me for today. Thank you so much. And until next time, stay crafty.